Welcome to Seedling Squad, your go-to place for all things plant and gardening. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned green thumb, we've got tips, tricks, and tutorials for everyone. Hi, I'm Monica, and I'm here to help you grow your gardening skills and turn your space into a green paradise. From seed to harvest, let's embark on this gardening journey together. In today's video, we will be featuring the best beginner plants for every color in your garden. Just so you know, there are direct links to all the related products in the description below. If you want a wide range of gardening facts, tips, and tricks, be sure to visit our website at seedlingsquad.com. So let's get started. Starting strong with red, the color of passion and boldness. Zinnias. These daisy-like beauties burst with bright red petals that almost seem to glow under the summer sun. Zinnias are perfect for sunny spots, bloom continuously from late spring to frost, and attract butterflies like magnets. Best of all, they're ridiculously easy to grow from seed. Geraniums. Classic and dependable, red geraniums have clusters of rich velvety blooms that pop against their rounded green leaves. Great in pots, borders, or hanging baskets, geraniums are sun lovers that handle heat well and add a cheerful, tidy look to any garden corner. Next up, orange, the color of warmth and energy. Marigolds. These little sunshine orbs come in fiery orange and gold. Their ruffled petals are dense and layered, giving them a full, almost fluffy look. Besides being beautiful, marigolds are pest-fighting champs. Plant them near veggies to repel unwanted bugs. And they're tough as nails in heat. Cosmos. With lacy, fern-like foliage and bright orange, daisy-like blooms, these cosmos truly live up to their name. They sway gently in the breeze and bring a wild, carefree vibe to your garden. They're drought-tolerant, self-seeding, and ideal for low-maintenance borders. Let's turn up the brightness with yellow, the color of joy and optimism. Sunflowers, the rock stars of the garden. Tall, bold, and impossible to miss, sunflowers bring a sense of wonder, especially to kids. Their large, round flower heads follow the sun, and their golden yellow petals brighten any space. Grow them in full sun and prepare for some serious smiles. Black-eyed Susans. These are like little bursts of sunshine with a deep brown center. They bloom all summer and require minimal care once established. They're also pollinator favorites, bringing bees and butterflies to the garden party. Looking for soft, sweet charm? Pink flowers bring a romantic, calming feel. Petunias. These trumpet-shaped blooms come in many shades, but pink petunias are especially charming. They trail beautifully in hanging baskets or spill over containers. Plus, they're long bloomers and easy to care for with just a bit of sun and water. Snapdragons. Tall and striking snapdragons have clusters of dragon-shaped blooms that snap open when gently squeezed. Fun for kids. Pink snapdragons soften the bold structure with a touch of elegance. Best in cooler weather, they thrive in early spring or fall. Now for purple, mysterious, elegant, and comic. Lavender. With slender stems and soft purple spikes, lavender isn't just beautiful, it's fragrant too. This plant screams cottage garden charm. It thrives in sunny, dry spots and makes for great edging or herbal borders. Bonus bees love it, and so will you. Verbena. These tiny purple clusters look delicate but are surprisingly tough. They bloom for months and handle heat like a champ. You'll often see them spilling over containers or covering ground in waves of color, a great filler for garden gaps. We can't forget green, the color that ties everything together. While not known for flashy blooms, green plants offer lush texture and depth. Ferns. Want that forest floor feel? Ferns are the answer. Their soft, arching fronds add movement and elegance, especially in shady areas. Boston ferns do well in hanging baskets or shaded patios, and they love a bit of humidity. English ivy, this is a fantastic choice for adding lush, trailing greenery to your garden. Known for its ability to quickly climb and cover walls, fences, and trellises, it's perfect for adding vertical greenery and a natural, cascading look. The glossy, dark green leaves of ivy can create a lush, rich backdrop to other plants in your garden or stand alone as a feature plant. Ivy thrives in both sun and shade, making it a versatile option for many garden settings. Time to cool things down with white, pure, peaceful, and a perfect accent. Tweet alyssum, tiny and delicate, these cloud-like flowers form a low-growing carpet that smells sweetly of honey. They're amazing for borders or filling in gaps, and they bloom like crazy in spring and fall. Super low maintenance. Shasta daisies. These classics bring that crisp white petal and yellow center combo we all recognize. They're upright, cheerful, and bloom through summer. Whether you plant a few or a whole row, they'll brighten any space with simplicity. And finally, blue, the rarest color in the garden, but oh so rewarding. Bachelor's buttons. These are true blue blooms with fringed petals and a wildflower charm. They're great in cottage gardens or meadows, easy from seed, and attract pollinators. Their soft stems and fuzzy leaves make them feel almost magical. Bluebells. If you're dreaming of a fairy tale garden, bluebells are your go-to. These charming, bell-shaped flowers dangle gracefully from arching stems and come in a dreamy violet blue. When planted in clusters, they create a soft, magical carpet of blooms in spring, especially under trees or in shady garden corners. They're a great choice if you want a woodland feel with minimal effort. Thanks for joining us on this countdown of the best beginner plants for every color in your garden. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, Seedling Squad!